Unit 6, Lesson 8, Section 2. Here we're looking at applying academic writing skills and specifically looking at how we use complex sentences to create writing that flows. There are three different kinds of sentences: a simple sentence, a compound sentence, and a complex sentence. A simple sentence includes one independent clause with a complete subject and verb. So it has a subject, a verb, and a complete idea. A compound sentence will combine two separate independent clauses, or normally two simple sentences, with a conjunction. A conjunction are words like and, but, because, yet, for, so, and a few others. A complex sentence is an independent clause and at least one dependent clause. So we have used adjective clauses, and that is called a dependent clause. We need that to be connected to an independent clause. And when we use complex sentences, we're able to add to or support our idea. Let's look at a couple examples here. The largest tornado ever recorded occurred in El Reno, Oklahoma in 2013, and it measured 2.6 miles wide and 39 miles long. Here we see a conjunction and so this is an example of a compound sentence. Most tornadoes occur within an area known as Tornado Alley, which is roughly comprised of the area between the Rockies and the mountains. Here we see this, which is roughly comprised of the area between the Rockies and the Appalachian Mountains. That is a dependent clause. It cannot stand alone. It can't be by itself. In other words, if I come up to you in the hallway and I say, "Hi, which is roughly comprised of the area between the Rockies and the Appalachian Mountains," you won't know what I'm talking about. And that's an example of a dependent clause. It has to go with something else. It's dependent on something. But this section of the sentence, most tornadoes occur within an area known as Tornado Alley. That's a simple sentence. That is complete thought, and then we add to it to create a complex sentence. So number 2, again, is an example of a complex sentence. We're going to look at a website that explains this a little further.